Larrabee wants me to remove the remotes. Yes, guys. Larrabee wants me to remove the remotes that he doesn't want. This Foxtail remote, he wants to keep it. But the Sender one, he doesn't want it anymore. Because he's got the other one from the other house. And because it's broken. So, yeah. But, unfortunately, Larrabee wants me to get rid of these remotes. He doesn't want to use them anymore. Unless he wants me to keep them for Angry Office Man Part 1 and Part 2. I'm not sure about Part 3, but we'll just see. No point whacking, but don't know. There's nothing wrong with them. I mean, no batteries on it. They still being used as a toy. Of course, they're toys now, and you could tell they kind of abandoned for 20 odd years or something. 20 odd years. This one's gone for the last 14 years, I guess. Or probably 20 years. Ew, that's way back when. I probably remember using those remotes. Well anyway, let's get in a good whack. Yeah, I don't want to whack them, but I just have to. Good job. Just destroyed my whacker. Well, that Sanu won't broke my remote. I'll see I can throw my chips. Like this. Just like that. Oh, where did it go? Stuck. Back in the cupboard. Them. For them. Even if they're not on the viewers. Now they are. Alright, trying to put the racket back in. Yeah, the other pencil's gone. I'm gonna try to use the other one. Thin sand pencil's not good enough. This remote's so durable. I'm surprised they hold up so long. They are not that great. Even the battery spring was all disposed. It's all colorful and yellow. Oh, fine. I'll just stick my other one. Just gonna keep doing that till I get another set of whacker. Or probably these remotes are too durable. I don't know, but I've just been stupid. Let's check this one again in the viewers. And you can see I got another cardboard behind it because I got a new one at the front, at the back. That was from the back. It's broken. I was thinking to rip that off for the next video, but I changed my mind. I decided to keep another set of cardboard behind it, where the other ones are. Anyway, the whack is going stupid, so I'll just try to do it like this. The chance is so noisy. Anyway, let's move on to the next video.